Willard Van Orman Quine said, language is conceived in sin and science is its redemption, meaning language just cannot be considered to be a sin or a bad deed or bad action or wrong invention of any kind under any circumstance and situations, because it is primarily because of the existence as well as the creation and subsequent integration of language into human societies and to each and every one and into their lives that we have made it so far, and that we have been able to create societies in harmony and happiness alongside inventions and innovations because of constant communication and understanding and empathy. All of that becomes possible, and it became possible because of our languages and because of our creation and development and invention of different types of languages in the world by different people in accordance with their cultures, ideas, societies, etc. So language just cannot be considered to be a sin of any kind, but language is fundamental, imperative, necessary under all circumstances and situations, not only for communication itself, but also for learning, progressing and improving in our lives, and also for the basically cultivation of the bridge of communication, empathy, and relationship and benevolence with others around us in societies. But science, on the other hand, can be considered to be a problem and a blessing at the same time. Science has had its own dangers and conflicts and difficulties. Science still has its malevolence that's obviously is repressed, or that sometimes goes unnoticed and unrecognized, obviously because we believe in the superiority and unbridled dominance and unparalleled character of science, but we ignore and neglect its problems and conflicts. But science has given rise to dangerous actions and reckless creations that have caused tremendous harms not only to our individual lives, drained our focus, basically tired or exhausted our attention span, but also harm the environments and ecologies and atmospheres. And that all is connected with science and its creations in one way or another. And that's why science may be called a redemption, or the act of making ourselves better or our creations better or more acceptable. But in reality, science still remains a conflicting and complexing subject and field of study that needs to be corrected and reformed through extensive analysis, experience, knowledge, and wisdom. But language